Hey, welcome to The Explainer. So you've worked your tail off, you've built up this amazing $3 million nest egg. Now what? The last thing you want is to spend your golden years stressing about it, right? Well, today, we're going to break down a really powerful strategy to make that money last a lifetime, giving you both security and a whole lot of freedom.
All right, so let's get right to it. The million-dollar question. Well, the $3 million question is it actually enough to retire on? And look, the answer is a resounding yes. But, and this is a big but, it's all about the strategy you use.
You know, if you've managed to save this much, you should give yourself a major pat on the back. You are in a really exclusive club here. We're talking the top 1 to 2% of all retirees. That's incredible. But it also means you've got a whole different set of challenges and, let's be honest, opportunities when it comes to making that money last.
Okay, so let's dive into the actual strategy. Step 1, and this is absolutely non-negotiable, is to guarantee your essential income. We need to build a rock-solid foundation that protects your basic living costs from whatever the market decides to do.
So what's the goal here? It's actually pretty simple, but it's also profound. We want to create what you can think of as a personal pension. Just imagine that, a reliable, lifelong paycheck that just shows up every single month, no matter if the stock market is soaring or crashing. That is the bedrock of a truly secure retirement.
So, how do we actually build this personal pension? Well, one of the main tools in the toolbox is something called a Guaranteed Lifetime Withdrawal Benefit. It's a mouthful, I know, so people just call it a GLW. Basically, it's an add-on to an annuity, and it's a contractual promise from an insurance company that says, hey, we will give you this income stream for the rest of your life. You literally cannot outlive it.
Now, this whole approach, it kind of flies in the face of some of that old-school retirement advice you've probably heard for years. I'm talking about the famous 4% rule. For decades, that was the go-to. But honestly, that strategy carries some serious risks in today's world, especially when you put it side by side with a guaranteed approach.
All right, let's actually look at the numbers, because that's where it gets really interesting. With a typical GLWB annuity, that $3 million can spit out a guaranteed income of about $210,000 a year. Now compare that to the 4% rule. Same $3 million bucks, but you're only getting about $120,000. And here's the kicker. That income is never guaranteed. It's always at the mercy of the market.
And this is why that risk is so darn dangerous. Let's say the market has a bad year and drops 20%, which, by the way, happens more than you'd think. Boom. That's $600,000 just gone from your principal. If you're using the 4% rule, you're forced to sell your investments when they're down just to pay your bills. It's a recipe for disaster. There's a technical name for it, sequence of returns risk, and it's the nightmare scenario for new retirees. A GLWB is designed specifically to protect you from that, completely.
Okay, so once your core income is locked in, it's guaranteed for life, you don't have to worry about it. The next step is to shield the rest of your wealth. We need to put up some defenses to protect it from all the other big risks that can totally derail even the best retirement plans.
So, we're going to build what I like to call a three-pronged defense for your assets. This strategy is all about protecting you from the major financial shocks. We're talking healthcare, preserving your legacy, and the big one, covering the potentially massive cost of long-term care.
All right, first up, healthcare. Look, standard Medicare is great, but it has some pretty significant gaps, and those gaps can lead to some huge, unpredictable out-of-pocket costs. That's where a Medicare supplement plan, or Medigap, comes in. It's designed to fill those gaps, which means you get predictable monthly premiums and your healthcare costs become stable. No nasty surprises.
Okay, next up, life insurance. Now, for an estate of this size, you have to think about life insurance a little differently. It's not really about replacing income anymore, it's about preserving your wealth. A really well-structured policy becomes a powerful tool. It can give your heirs a completely tax-free inheritance, and it gives them the cash they need to cover any estate taxes without being forced to sell off the family home or other assets.
And the third major risk, honestly, this is the one that keeps a lot of people up at night: long-term care. This is a big one, folks. The cost can just be astronomical, easily over $100,000 a year. And here's the part everyone needs to hear. Standard Medicare does not cover it. A threat like this can absolutely drain even a multi-million-dollar nest egg way faster than you can imagine.
But here's the good news. You can absolutely protect your assets from this threat. You just have to be proactive. These days, there are modern hybrid policies that combine life insurance or an annuity with long-term care benefits. It's pretty genius. It means if you need the care, the money is there. But if you don't, That money just passes right along to your heirs. It's like a powerful two-for-one solution.
All right, so we've got all these different pieces, right? The guaranteed income, the protections. Now let's put it all together and see how it forms this powerful two-layer strategy for both security and freedom.
The core idea here is to build something called a financial firewall. I love that term. It's all about creating this intentional separation between the money you need for your essential, must-have expenses and the money you use for your fun, lifestyle wants. This firewall ensures that your core security is never, ever compromised by a dip in the market or your spending choices.
So here's how that allocation would look. You take about a third of your nest egg, so $1 million, and you put that behind the firewall in what we call the security layer. This is the money that's going to fund your guaranteed income and pay for all those insurance protections we just talked about. It's locked down, it's safe.
Okay, so what about the rest? The other two-thirds, that $2 million becomes your freedom layer. And this isn't just a pile of cash sitting around. It's also working for you, but in a different way. Part of it is invested for long-term growth to make sure you're beating inflation. Part of it is kept in super safe liquid cash for any emergencies. And the rest, that's your fun money, set aside specifically for your lifestyle goals.
So with this rock-solid structure in place, let's talk about what retirement actually feels like day to day, because this is where all the planning really pays off in genuine peace of mind.
There's a line from the source material that just captures the whole spirit of this strategy perfectly. It says, with your foundational needs secured, the remaining money is truly yours to enjoy without the fear of running out. I mean, isn't that the ultimate goal? To just get rid of that low-level hum of financial anxiety so you can focus on, actually living your life?
So how do you use that freedom fund? This is the best part. This is what lets you book that trip to Italy without feeling a shred of guilt. It's what lets you stay invested in the market for that long-term growth, or be incredibly generous with your kids, grandkids, and favorite charities. And you can do it all with this incredible confidence, knowing that your core financial security is completely locked down and untouchable.
So as we wrap this up, it really all boils down to one fundamental question you have to ask yourself about your own plan. Is your retirement built on hoping the market does well, or is it built on lifetime guarantees? Because at the end of the day, the difference between those two approaches, well, that's the difference between a retirement filled with anxiety and one filled with true financial freedom.